we're gonna, we gotta, you know, little shake the rust off. We got this.
Shut the fuck up. No, we don't. Don't give me some positive energy right now. I don't need that. It's Billy. Come here. I mean, Bubba. Yeah, the only time that I actually need fucking Windows opportunity.
Oh, you haven't escaped a single time, huh? I said.
Nah, not since 1972, bro.
Acid's got to escape 4 times for his trial. I see him. Hi, Bubba.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I'm out of here.
Ooh, are we gen rushing this booba?
Oh, he didn't fall for it. He didn't fall for it. He's smart. I hate him. Come on, pick me up.
There.
I'm not gonna turn around and see him chasing me. I'm not gonna turn around and see him chasing me.
He's still.
Okay,
He just left. He saw me far away.
He's kicking the gen that we were working on.
I'm working on the gen on the boat.
He's on Barry, I think.
Yeah, he is. Fuck. he traumatized him because the head also fell right under a pallet.
He's gonna start leaving me there to bleed out.
Oh.
Then can you get the hook?
The amount of bullshit I go through with this game, bro, I shit you not, bro.
Alright, I'm coming to the hook.
I stunned him and he fucking swung through the pallet.
Oh my goodness.
How does this happen, man? Can't they fix their game, please? This game is bullshit, bro. I stunned him and he fucking swang his big old schlong on my face, dude.
He's here, he's here. Oh my god.
Okay. I'll just leave for now. I don't want to risk giving him another drop. I mean, another hook. Oh my god, man. Is today just a bad day? Am I just bad today? Or I'm bad always, but especially today? Guys, we haven't done a single gen.
Oh shit! Barry, I'm so sorry.
No.
Fuck Gucci, bro.
What are we doing?
I went to go get him, but it was too late. Alright, well, this is the wash. We lost.
Go for you, let me go for Oh shit, he's coming for me.
Yeah, I got nothing. I don't know what to say.
Oh, motherfucker.
How do you... Alright, let's just go.
He's going for you.
Then. Your mic's muted.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
God damn it.
Bro, I said.
Ugh. You know what? Maybe because we're so good, they're starting to pair us with killers that are really good too.
Nah, we're going.
But I don't think they're doing anything extraordinary. We're just kind of playing a little, you know.
We're playing like shit. That's what it is. We're playing badly. Oh, where's the pallet at? Well, I'm dead.
Going for you.
You know, it's a killer charity.
Can we just go to the next game?
Oh man. Alright, these are both rust games. We're just shaking the rust off.
Yeah, take that, you fucking dumphead.
No need for that. Relax. Ugh, sink cheese. That's a weird
Wait, he went for
game.
you. He went for you. I'm telling you, he went for you.
Oh, stunned him.
Yeah, he dumped that shit on his cheeks.
He's teabagging. Oh no.
I gotta see this in like pallets.
That's well, I guess we're done. Is teabagging you too?
Why teabag though?
Because he sucks.
Oh.
GG. Why teabag though?
Because it's funny.
I don't think it's very funny. But doesn't matter.
I feel like it's funny when it happens to me.
Let me get. I'm just gonna not do this.